Hey guys, I'm still in the search of the best budget headsets for my gaming setup at my home office. And today I have these 4 different headsets, starting from Razer and finishing with this Captain 300. Let's open the boxes, let's check each of this product. Let's do the close test with one of the games what I am playing, and let's do a conclusion. Which one of these budget headsets it's good idea to check today on the market. Let's go. Let's start by unboxing these beauties, and this is a Razer Black Shark version 2X, and it's come with obvious signature 7.1 surround sound and memory foam cushions. And as always, from the Razer, far I can see the really good quality with this additional cable extension. I would say we will be able to connect it easily to my PC. Okay, let's move to NUBWO G06 with a dual wireless feature and a striking orange color. You see this mic, and it's coming together with, I think it's a wireless dongle and some cables. And you have this bag if you need to store it during transportation, which is also good. Okay, let's move to the BINNUNE, I think it's right pronunciation, coming together with some cables and wireless dongle. So the BINNUNE offers a high performance wireless experience, and you see that this is a lot of different buttons on the side, and obviously you have the mic and these cables in manual, and unfortunately no bag for transportation. Okay, let's move to the next one. It's Captain 300 with detailed manual, nice spec in a white color with detachable mic, wireless dongle and additional cables, and it may be nice companion for your PlayStation 5. Let's attach this mic, and there we go. Also a lot of buttons on the side and connection ports and detachable mic. First of all, Razer is not wireless, only one not wireless in this review, but it's coming together with, I think, quite long cables. It's no problem to use it for mic and for audio, and with some cable management stuff, which is nice. Altogether you have pretty long cable, which is not a problem at your home studio or your gaming setup. You have this volume, like up and down mute button, which is useful, and basically that's all. You have obviously the mic, and main parameter, main feature of this headset, noise cancellation, the best one in this review, and Triforce titanium 50mm drivers for really superior sound, but we will test this in a second. So next one, NUBWO 06 is your go-to for wireless gameplay. It has massive 100 hours battery life. So if you need this for your console gaming or for PC gaming, it will work wirelessly a lot. Really, like couple of days. You have mute unmute button, volume, like switch on switch off, cable connection 3.5 and USB-C connection. You have this wireless dongle, this is for charging, and this is for 3.5 connection, and in comparison to Razer you can see that it's pretty short cable. BINNUNE, even more impressive from battery point of view. It's 120 hours of battery life and ultra low latency for seamless gaming experience. Also you have 3.5 short cable, wireless dongle and USB charging cable. On the side you have some volume increase and decrease buttons, mute on mute, power on and off, USB-C port and 3.5 port. Let's check this Gtheos headset, and it really stands out with ergonomic design and long-lasting battery, and it's really versatile 3-in-1 connections way. First of all, it's wireless, and you have these different modes and volume increase and decrease, and you can switch between wireless and Bluetooth mode. right? Let's check this cable, this 3.5 audio cable. Little bit longer than, like, you know, in others, but not so long and with Razer. But this cable for charging is really long, you know. And of course you have this 2.4 wireless dongle. Okay, let's switch my PC and let's test how it works in real usage scenario. Okay, let's play a couple of minutes in this Razers and let's check, understand if we can hear left, right and all of that. And obviously I will record the sound on this mic. Let's go. So I can clearly hear left and right audio separately, so I can hear the now fighting in on the left side and in front of me. And I hope you can clearly hear my voice in a mic. Okay, let's try to hunt somebody. Okay, so far so good. The Razer headsets are very, you know, they're very comfortable sitting on your head. They're very lightweight, so you cannot feel them. You can increase or decrease volume just on your left side, right? This is very useful. Okay, this is very intense fight. Anyway, I cannot see anything. Yeah, and our first frag. And I think that's all for now for this case. They're really great, lightweight, and only one minus maybe for you that they are not wireless. Okay, next headset is this NUBWO. They are also sitting quite well on my head. You can obviously adjust, like, you know, up and down. And I have this mic close to my mouse and you can hear the quality of the sound because I am speaking into this mic right now. So let's go and continue to play. Okay, immediately I can say that a little bit, but I can increase the volume on the left side because Razer was on the middle of the volume and it was the same output. In this case it's always almost on maximum. And now only I can hear well. Okay, what about left and right? I can say that I can hear the left and right in general. So I can hear where is the enemy. Noise cancellation was better on Razer. From the comfort point of view, they're also lightweight, so I cannot, like, you know, feel the weight of the headset. So in general, I would say they are pretty nice headsets. So let's continue. Okay, what about this BINNUNE? So let's test them out. Their cushions a little bit, you know, making this squeaky noise. I don't know how to say it. It's just, you know, squeezing a little bit. But in general, they're pretty solid on my head. And noise cancelling, I cannot hear anything outside. So I hope you hear my voice over a microphone. So let's try and check inside the game. So what about from the left and right? Is it clear? Left. It's a little bit less clear than with previous two options. I can hear the left and right, but not so you know, clear as it was on previous headsets. So in general, not bad. But I would say I like these two previous more from the, you know, quality of the sound point of view. But in general, like, not bad for the price, I would say. Okay, let's check the latest one. This Captain 300, the heaviest one, you know, they're like from the weight point of view. But in general, they are like sitting on my head very well. And this mic just in front of my mouth, so I hope you can hear the voice. So let's check how it's in game. So I can see the left action. A little bit hard to see right action. So in general, I would say it's, you know, it's like a one big sound. It's a little bit hard to understand what is going on around you from the left and right side. It's a nice sound in general, but it's just hard to understand, you know, who and where this guy is located around you. But in general, I would say sound is normal. Just, you know, a little bit hard to understand who is left and right, and that's all. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy the review and comparison. All of them are different with unique strengths. The Razer, for example, obviously is the best sound quality for sure, and the best clarity and understanding left, right, and who is where. These guys with NUBWO is excellent for long gaming sessions. These guys with BINNUNE stands in wireless performance, while this Gtheos is great for, you know, ergonomic design, and it's wide, it's multi-platform and all of that. These three headsets obviously would be good for PlayStation or Xbox because they are wireless. This one is for sure the best for PC gaming because quality of the sound the best as always with Razer. Quality of mics you will be able to hear and to, you know, evaluate by yourself what is better and what is not. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.